The tunnel turned sharp left. I went down a short flight of stairs and came out on the third level at Grand Central Station. I turned sharply towards left and I went downward a few steps of stairs and I went on the third level at Grand Central Station. For just a moment, I thought I was back on the second level. For some time, Charlie began to think that he was on the second level, but I saw the room was smaller. But Charlie saw the rooms were smaller than the rooms of second level. There were fewer tickets, windows, and train gates. What did he see over there? He describes in this paragraph. He saw fewer ticket windows, train gates, and information booth. Information booth, it is a platform at Grand Central where people would go for collecting informations about the schedule of trains, and in the center there was wood and old looking. There was wood, furniture, old looking, old fashioned, or as we could see in ancient time. I mean, the people of ancient time could see those types of furnitures. And the man in the booth wore a green eye shade and long black sleeve protectors. The light were dim at short of flickering, and the man who was sitting there on the booth, information booth, were having or wearing eye shade. Eye shade means it is a kind of protector of eyes in green color. Okay, green eye shade. Now it is a kind of cap which they put on their eyes. The lights were dim and sort of there. वहीं पे रख दीजिए, वहीं पे, हाँ, नीचे से. Now, then I saw why they were open flame gas lights, flickering, fluctuating the lights. It was not burning constantly to give a proper light. It was flickering, कम या अधिक होना. Then I saw why they were open flame gas lights. Then I paid attention on the lamp. It was a gas light. Okay, in ancient time there were gas lights in those days. There were grass spittoons on the floor, and across the station a glint of light caught my eyes. Here we go for some time. Yes, there were brass spittoons on the floor. What is a brass spittoons? It is a kind of utensil or pot. एक बर्तन होता है in which people spite. Okay, and across the station a glint of light caught my eye, and there was a point where I could see a sharp light which caught my eyes. Okay, I got my eyes caught there because it was shining too much. A man was pulling a gold watch from his waist pocket, and Charlie saw a man who was having a watch in his pocket. He snapped open the cover. He opened the cover of the watch. In ancient time, people were having watch in their pockets. Okay, joined with a chain, and it was having a cover on it. And thereafter, they would open the cover and see the watch. a black four-buttoned suit with tiny lapels. That man, he was wearing a black four-button suit. It was a long sleeve suit having a four button and tiny lapels. Tiny means small lapels. Lapels, have you seen blazer? ब्लेज़र का जो फ्रंट पार्ट होता है चेस्ट पर, जैसे ब्लेज़र में लेपल्स होते हैं दोनों तरफ, लेफ़्ट एंड राइट दोनों तरफ, तो वैसे जो लेपल्स होते हैं वो शॉर्ट होते हैं. एंड दीज वर सिम्बलाइजिंग दैट इट वाज द टाइम ऑफ 19th century, because that type of lapels and shoot could be seen in those days, not in 20th century. And he had a big black handlebar mustache, और उसके पास एक बड़ी सी ब्लैक हैंडल बार, यू शेप आपने देखा होगा. यू शेप ऊपर को होता है, यू शेप को जब नीचे करेंगे तो जो शेप बनता है वो हैंडल बार मुस्टैचो. Now then I looked around and saw that everyone in the station was dressed like 1890 something. Then he paid attention that all the men at the grand level, third level, were wearing the dress like 1890 something, 19th century you can say. I never saw so many beards. I never saw so many beards in my life, because Charlie was belonging to 20th century and people of 20th century do not keep beards. Okay, sideburns and fancy mustaches in my life. And he saw so many sideburns. Sideburns means क्या होता है? You could see mustacho, connected or joint with hair, जैसे गाल से होते हुए मूँछों को ऐसे कनेक्ट करके बियर्ड रखना. ठीक है, ये भी एक फैशन था लोगों का जो कि उन दिनों लोग करते थे. अ वुमैन वॉक्ड इन थ्रू द ट्रेन गेट. चार्ली शॉ अ वुमैन, एक महिला को देखा उसने. शी वॉज गोइंग थ्रू द ट्रेन गेट, जो कि ट्रेन गेट से होकर जा रही थी. नाउ शी वॉर a dress with leg of mutton sleeves and skirts to the top of her height buttons. She was wearing a mutton sleeves. Mutton sleeves क्या होता है? बहुत ढीला ढाला और wrinkled. ठीक है, जैसे उसमें ऐसी डिज़ाइन बनाई गई हो कि जहाँ पे वो स्लीव जुड़ती है शोल्डर के पास वहाँ पे wrinkled हो. ठीक है, मतलब उसको ऐसे मोड़ कर सिला गया हो, that it seems that wrinkle. Now sleeves and skulls to the top of her high buttoned shoes, and the shoes that she was wearing, it was buttoned higher, upward. दो चार बटन भी उसमें लगी होती है शूज़ में, जैसा कि आजकल आप देख सकते हैं महिलाएं या गर्ल्स स्पेशली यूज़ करती हैं. बैक ऑफ हर, उसके पीछे, आउट ऑन द ट्रैक्स आई caught a glimpse of a locomotive. उसके पीछे मैंने क्या देखा? चार्ली सेज दैट आई caught a glimpse, I glanced at a locomotive. लोकोमोटिव क्या होता है? It was a type of train. Locomotive means that was running by coal. Okay, कोयले से जो ट्रेन चलती थी उसको लोकोमोटिव कहते हैं. Very small career and ives. Career and ives, it is a proverb which can be used for मुग़ल आज़म के ज़माने की बात कर रहा है. ठीक है, जैसे हम कोई भी चीज़ पुरानी देखते हैं, when we see or watch an object and it seems that it is belonging to ancient time. Long ago we could see, or the people of those days could see that, so we say that this belongs to मुग़ल आज़म. कितना पुराना चीज़ है. तो ऐसे ही करियर एंड आइव्स का प्रयोग वहाँ पे जो USA के लोग हैं वो लोग ऐसे बोलते हैं, मुग़ल आज़म के ज़माने की चीज़. लोकोमोटिव विद अ फनल शेप्ड स्टैक. फनल शेप्ड स्टैक क्या होता है? जो ट्रेन के ऊपर, जो लोकोमोटिव ट्रेन्स होती हैं, जो कोयले से चल रही ट्रेन्स होती हैं, उनके ऊपर एक चिमनी होती है. ओके, देयर वुड बी अ चिमनी एंड स्मोक वाज फ्लोइंग फ्रॉम देयर. जहाँ से स्मोक फ्लो करता है उस चिमनी की बात कर रहा है. फनल का मतलब एक पाइप की तरह. ठीक है, ऊपर आप लोग उस तरह की ट्रेन देखे होंगे. एंड देन आई न्यू to make sure, I walked over to a newsboy to make sure about these things. दैट व्हाट स्ट्रेंज थिंग्स आई एम लुकिंग हियर, बहुत सारी चीज़ें जो कि वो स्ट्रेंज देख रहा था चार्ली। तो उस चीज़ों को कंफर्म करने के लिए वो जाता है एक बच्चे के पास, हु वाज अ न्यूज़ बॉय, जो कि एक न्यूज़पेपर बेचने वाला होता है, एंड ग्लास्ड एट द स्टैक ऑफ पेपर्स, और उसने पेपर शीट्स पर देखा, न्यूज़पेपर्स पे, उस पर क्या लिखा था, इट वाज द वर्ल्ड। द वर्ल्ड क्या है, एक पब्लिकेशन है, जैसे कि आजकल आप लोग देखते हैं, nowadays you read Sahara newspaper, Amar Ujala, Hindustan. So it was the publication, the world, and the world has not been published for years. और वो बताता है चार्ली कि जो the world न्यूज़पेपर था, it was not being published for many years, बहुत सालों से वो चीज़ पब्लिश नहीं करी जा रही थी। So everything was strange in my life, मैं सब कुछ strange महसूस कर रहा था। It seems to me that I have traveled, time, मैंने time travel कर लिया है। The lead story said something about President Cleveland, and on the page I could see the story about President Cleveland, who would be the president in those days in 19th century में ये president हुआ करते थे। I have found that front page since in the public library files, and it was printed June 11, 1894. और Charlie, what did he see on the newspaper? It was dated on June 11th June 1894. It means the paper was belonging to 19th century. ओके, जैसा कि उसने अब तक बताया है कि पेपर जो था वो 19th सेंचुरी से बिलोंग करता था, और चार्ली जो है 20th सेंचुरी का आदमी है, ठीक है। उसके बाद वो क्या करता है, क्या होता है उसके साथ, हम अगली वीडियो में पढ़ेंगे।